Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is WARINGA, and what I want to do today is show you how I treat my hair at home, especially during this time that we have so much time at home. Yes, we have so much time at home that it's annoying. But anyway, I just want to show you how I treat my hair at home, and I hope that you find this video useful and you can also try to treat your hair at home. So it's not complicated, it's not something that anyone cannot be able to do. It's very simple. So I will go shampoo my hair and then I will see you in a bit. So keep safe, wash your hands, sanitize, all those things. So I am done washing my hair and I will go straight into treating it, and I am using Lori's treatment. You might wonder why I normally buy this big one. It's 100 grams. I normally buy this big one because it comes in handy for me when my conditioner is finished and I don't have an option. So it's a backup plan for me most of the time when I've run out of conditioner. I will just section my hair into 3 parts, and then from there I will condition it and leave it for around 30 minutes. Though here it says that you should leave it for 15 minutes. I don't think that is good time enough for me. I normally leave it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so let's do it. Ouch! is now bouncy. Yay! This is because I made sure that each and every section was well detangled. I have done 40 minutes and now I'm done. So what I will do real quick is I will rinse it and then dry it using I will use my dryer, like a blow dry, to dry it. Okay, so see you later. It looks good and it feels fresh and clean. I have just rinsed this with warm water, and what I want to do right next is dry it with a dryer, but under very, okay, I want to say low but not low, under medium heat. Just dry it and then oil it, and that will be it. So let's see how it looks like after drying and oiling. To use this one, the comb, for the last time now, and that will be it. It looks good like this, so I will just leave it open for some few days and then I will do it again soon. I know, I will do it again soon. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.